In this tutorial, we'll be covering the basics of the collaborative whiteboard and the Wyzant online learning tool. The whiteboard has many features that allow for communication and collaboration in a lesson. And to highlight these, we'll start first by adding a document. You can upload a variety of document types using this icon in the toolbar, or by simply dragging and dropping directly into the tool. The uploader supports most image files, PDFs, and a variety of other universal document types. An advantage of using our document uploader is that you can select individual pages of a multi-page document to add directly to the whiteboard. In our case, we'll select all of these pages to be added. Great! Now each page has been added to its own individual whiteboard tab, which we can edit and rename if we wish. We'll assign some labels that would reflect the preparation for this lesson. Don't worry, even with multiple tabs open, both participants can keep track of each other's location with these colorful dots that keep track of whichever tab the participant is currently working on. Let's go to the tab with the first page we uploaded. Here, we'll select the drawing tool to draw directly onto our document. While drawing, you can make changes to the color, style, and thickness of your marks. Additionally, all shapes, marks, and documents on your whiteboard can be edited individually or in a group. Moving to a new tab, you can choose to collaborate another way by adding annotations directly to the page using the Type tool. You can choose from a variety of text styles, which are all completely vector-based for easy resizing and scaling. In our third tab, we can change the whiteboard background to help match the content of our lesson. Lined paper could work for this, but let's choose something more appropriate, like graph paper. For more advanced lessons, we offer a variety of features, such as an equation editor, a function grapher, and Wolfram Alpha, an educational search engine. We'll cover these tools in their own tutorial videos soon, but feel free to experiment with them yourself in a demo room. Finally, when you reach the end of your lesson, you can easily download and save all of the whiteboard tabs as images for reference later on. That completes this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Check out more of these helpful videos to see how Wyzant Online will work for you.